Squish and welcome to another video. So in this video, I think I'm going to part away from slime for just a little bit because I recently got these magnetic balls and you can get them on Amazon. They were a late Christmas present for me, and so I just wanted to show you what you can do with them and how to do some stuff with them because they're really fun. But if you don't really know how to use them, then you might just like mix them up and just play with them weird when you could make really cool things out of them. So that's what I'm showing you today. I have split them all up into different colors, as you can see, and I did not just get them. I didn't just take the cube that they come in and split it apart. No, I actually made that cube because they came about 4-5-ish days ago, and I really like them. Yeah, I try to keep them as organized as possible. So first you can do a cube, and to do that, you have to make each of your different colors a square. And to do that is, here, I'll mix the purple one up. So you get it in a line like this, and you connect it so it's like a circle. Oh no! Oh geez. Jeez. Okay, I messed that one up. That's okay. Okay, so then you make sure it's even on both sides and you press it together like this. It doesn't have to be pressed on the ends, but yeah. So then you split it in the middle, like that, and you fold it over, and so it will be a rectangle. And so then I'm going to take any gift card like that doesn't have any money on it, and I'm going to take off 3 rows. Oh, I messed up. I'm not the best at this. I got these literally like not long ago, but like, yeah. No, I probably got them like 3 days ago. I don't know. I can't keep track of time, people. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that again. And I just kind of eye the middle, like if I'm wrong, it's fine, because it's really easy to fix your mistakes, because all you have, you know what, yeah, this is actually going to be 1 row, so, because there's 4 here, yeah, okay, why is this happening, like, right now? Are you kidding me? Okay, I don't know what's happening. I mean, some people have different methods to do it, like how they do it. I don't care. You guys do however you want. I'm just simply making suggestions. So, I'm gonna take 3 rows off, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Make it into a loop like that, crush it, and then I'm going to attach it. If this pushes away, then I'm going to flip it over, right? Okay, so it pulled away, so I'm going to flip it over like that, and I'm going to just carefully, oh no. Okay, so it's not, okay. I'm gonna flip it over again, actually, and oh my god, why? Okay, so it's gonna be like that. That's how you make a square. And it does take a couple tries, as you saw me do it. So then what I usually do is I line them up in whatever order I want, like this. No. And so gift cards or whatever you want to use to split them apart are really good because they're like thick. They're thicker, so they like make more of a barrier, and you kind of just have to wiggle it. So, oh, okay. When it does this, you just need to flip this one over. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over and it should work now. Okay, now I'm going to add the blue and the purple. Now I'm going to fold, now it kind of looks like a belt. I'm going to face it towards me. I'm going to fold this on top, like that. Kind of pushing in the sides if they're not right. Right? So I'm just gonna keep doing this. And no pressure, but if you mess up, it's really hard to take it off. So, and it's usually the last color that messes up. So, oh, okay. So this is actually a good example. So I'm going to take these off without destroying the rest of it, because, okay, you need to be very delicate with this, because if you pull too hard, it will bring the rest with it. Okay. I have no idea if that's in frame or not. I really, really hope it is. Okay, so now I have to make a cube, or not a cube, a square again. Yeah. Alright, I made it into a square again. Now I'm going to attach it to my cube very carefully. So I can do this one of a few ways. I can drop it on and hope for the best. I can try to continue the way I was doing it and connect it like that and fold it over. Yeah. I could also like attach one end and kind of just let it flop on or like fold on or something. And as you can see, they're kind of bending. You can just push them back in place. They're pretty easy to control. I mean, yeah. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh my god, I'll get back to you. Alright, so all I really had to do was take my gift card and just kind of chop it off. So, okay, let's try this again. I don't know if they're attracting magnets or not. Okay, so now I have my rainbow cube, and yeah, that's how you make a rainbow cube. And yeah, I will have more videos, like showing how to do more. And I also have to say, I am so sorry that I have not been uploading very lately. I have been so busy with the new year and all. Anyway, Happy New Year. But yes, I really hope you guys can forgive me. As you know, I'm kind of new to this, so I'm going to try to upload every day. If not, I will make it up and upload a few videos a day if I've missed a few days. But yeah, I hope you guys leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. I don't know why I made that part the good part, but yeah, down below. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.